my channel. Y'all, I am wearing a braided wig. This is my first time trying a unit like this and I love it. I'm kind of upset that I did not try this before, but this unit is from Eayonhair. It's 24 inches long. As you guys can see, it's definitely the boho style, which is one of my favorite styles hands down, and I think it looks really good. One of the reasons why I think I really stayed away is because I didn't really like the bigger braided wigs that I was seeing that were kind of trending for a while, and this is definitely more of my style. This particular unit has definitely more curl than it has braids, and I think that's probably why I love it. You don't have to do much as far as styling goes. I will show you guys how I put this unit on and styled it, all that good stuff in just a minute, but all I used was these two products, just a little bit of water and a little bit of curling mousse, and that's really it, you guys. This took me no time to install. It's really lightweight. Y'all, I was really excited to try this wig and put this wig on and do this whole video. I was just talking to my sister last night and I was telling her just how excited I am because clearly I can't keep my hands out of my hair. Because when I took it out the package, it just looked good. Like the hair felt good, the wig looked good, the braids are really tiny and small. I'm not gonna sit here and talk too much today. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick tutorial on how I installed this, show you guys a few simple styles as well. But before we get into that, I do want to say make sure you are subscribed, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Also, I've teamed up with Eayonhair to host a giveaway for you guys. One lucky winner will receive this exact unit that I'm wearing. Make sure you check the description box. I will put the very simple rules, y'all know I do giveaways very simple, down in the description box and in the comment section, so make sure you follow everything, because if you do not and you get picked randomly, I will go back and check. So just make sure you follow all the rules. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and get right into this hair tutorial. All right, you guys, so here is an up close shot of this braided unit. Like I said, definitely has more curls than braids, but I love the style. And just so you guys know, this is kind of like a 360 unit, so you are able to glue the back down if you plan on wearing this unit like all up in a bun or in some kind of updo. But here are the braids, you guys. They are nice and small, which I think just makes it look a lot more natural. And of course you have the extra little hairs coming out to make this that boho style. So let me touch on this real fast. You want to be careful when you're taking off the excess lace, y'all, so that you don't cut a braid off. So really take your time, because you have to go around the whole entire perimeter of the lace, including the back, to make sure you get as much of the lace off as you can. So just be mindful of that and just take your time. And then here, you guys, I'm just using my normal hairspray to lay this unit. One thing I do wish that they had, and I guess you could do it yourself, is just unbraid the side where the little ear tab are. So just unbraid that and like make yourself a little sideburn. I was like, I think that's the one thing that was missing for me, or if you're like me, because I like to have my sideburns laid just like I like to have my edges laid like I'm doing right here. But it's not a deal breaker. It is what it is, and it still looks good, y'all. So next, I'm just going to cut these little hairs. So here's the thing, I really didn't know how short I wanted to cut them, which is why I was actually cutting very slow. I didn't know if I wanted to like just curl them and make them curly, or if I actually wanted them the actual length of my edges, so make them a little bit shorter. I was kind of in between. So I would say, if you are unsure like I am, start long, wear the wig a little bit, see how you like it, and then cut if need be, because you can always take hair off. We cannot add more hair on. Ultimately, what y'all will see right here, I went on ahead and got them like where I'm comfortable, how I would normally lay my hair, my edges, the length of them, because I was just like, I don't know if I'm the biggest fan of those super long hairs that the girls be doing. That's just not my style. So I'm just gonna lay them how I feel comfortable and how I normally do it. All right, y'all. So we got that's the hard part. It wasn't even hard, but we got the hard part done. And this is how we are looking now to just go and add some moisture to these curls, to these braids. Like I said before, just some water and some curling mousse, and that's all that it needed. The hair is so soft, you guys. It felt good. It looked good. I didn't get any shedding, any tangling, nothing like that. I just kind of finger detangled a bit and made sure it was nice and moisturized. I kind of went a little heavy with the foam, but I think it needed it. It definitely added the shine and a little bit of softness. The hair is already soft, but it just kind of loosened up the curls, defined the curls a little bit as well. And then you guys will see in just a second after I do the other side, I'm just gonna add some powder. Make sure the powder is, I kind of like using my Fenty. I've said this before. The Fenty powder is more of a yellow base, so it allows the like scalp look to kind of come through. So I just kind of put the powder all up and through the hair, because normally if you're just wearing a regular wig, you would put it just on the single part. But since we got braids, I just kind of put it sporadically all over just to make it look a little bit more like scalp. So just in case you missed the first half of this video, I am doing a giveaway on this unit, you guys. So here are the rules. We keeping it very simple. You must be subscribed to my channel here on YouTube and Eayonhair. You must also follow us both on Instagram. So follow at Marii and Eayonhair. I will put the exact links to both of our Instagrams down in the description box. And also comment down below your favorite protective style, your favorite style, or just a style you want to try in general. And one winner will be picked within a week's time and notified here on YouTube. So you guys saw the final look. You can really do so many different styles with this particular unit, you guys. You can flip it over like I just did, wear it in the middle, wear it half up, half down. You've got some options. I will tell you, I wasn't the biggest fan of putting it all in a bun. For my, it just didn't work for me, simply because my nape area was sticking out and I just could not get the lace to lay really well. So if you got some help, or you got some glue, or whatever the case may be, go ahead and do that. That is another styling option for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like this hair just as much as I did. I think they did a really good job with this one. Do me a favor, keep watching, don't go anywhere, so you can see a few more styles that I have for you. Make sure you check the description box. I'll put all the information that I got down there for you guys, as far as details for this unit and products that I used and anything else I can come up with. So happy holidays to you. Merry Christmas. Thank you guys so much for your support this year. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one.